Wanted to do an update on the big Carlos Pass Bridge, the progress that's being made down here at the south end of Fort Myers Beach. It's going from Fort Myers Beach over to Lover's Key, if you were not aware of the new bridge going in place now. It is a $90 million project, and it's expected to be completed by the summer of 2026. It is going to be a fixed bridge with a 60-foot navigation clearance, and it has a 75-year lifespan. It's going to have a fishing pier, a 6-foot wide sidewalk on the north side, and a 10-foot wide sidewalk on the south side, overlooking the Gulf of America. The old bridge will be made into an offshore artificial reef. So I thought I would take you along in this aerial drone footage here, and I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, I would appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these Fort Myers Beach updates. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this flight. I'm David Piper. I'm with Beach's Real Estate Group, local real estate agent here on Fort Myers Beach, serving the beach in Southwest Florida. You can contact me today for any of your real estate needs, and I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a great day.